Company shares. A company may allot shares either upon incorporation, so as to provide ownership and the initial working capital, or during its lifetime to raise investment and/or introduce new shareholders. There are many rules that govern the issue of shares. We will consider some of the more prevalent during this tutorial. The terms issuing and allotting of shares are often used interchangeably. They are, however, different things. Broadly, the allotment of shares refers to a particular part of the process of issuing shares. Allotment is the allocation of the right to certain shares to particular applicants for the shares. Companies registered prior to the Companies Act 2006 will have an authorised share capital provision in its Memorandum of Association, unless it has been subsequently removed. It might look a little like this. Shares can only be issued up to this authorisation. However, the limitation can now be removed by amending the company's articles. The concept of authorised share capital was abolished with the introduction of the Companies Act. This means that for companies registered after the Companies Act 2006 came into force, the number of shares a company can allot will be unlimited unless its articles of association contain a contrary restriction.